The fascinating world of porcupines. Porcupines are unique creatures that have captivated human curiosity for centuries. With their prickly quills and distinctive appearance, these spiky mammals are known for their defensive tactics and intriguing behaviors. In this essay, we will explore the world of porcupines, shedding light on their characteristics, habitat, diet, and some interesting facts that make them truly remarkable. Porcupines belong to the family Hystricidae, and they are classified into two main groups: Old World porcupines, found in Europe, Asia, and Africa, and New World porcupines, found in the Americas. Among the approximately 30 species of porcupines worldwide, the North American porcupine, Erythison dorsatum, is one of the most well-known and recognizable. The most notable feature of porcupines is their coat of quills. Contrary to popular belief, porcupines cannot shoot their quills, but their defense mechanism lies in the barbed quills they possess. When threatened, a porcupine will raise its quills and back into the predator, aiming to impale it with the sharp spines. These quills are actually modified hairs with a tough, layered structure, making them difficult to remove once embedded in the skin of an attacker. One of the most interesting facts about porcupines is that their quills are coated with a natural antibiotic substance. This feature helps protect them from infection if they accidentally prick themselves or get into a scuffle with another porcupine. Furthermore, the quills have a hollow structure, which aids in buoyancy and insulation, enabling porcupines to swim and float effortlessly. Porcupines have a varied diet that includes leaves, bark, twigs, and plant stems. They are herbivores, and their sharp incisors and strong jaws allow them to chew through tough vegetation. Interestingly, porcupines are known to consume salt and have been observed licking rocks and gnawing on bones to obtain this essential mineral. Their specialized digestive system allows them to efficiently extract nutrients from their fibrous diet. These nocturnal creatures spend their days resting in trees or dens, venturing out at night to forage for food. Porcupines are skilled climbers, thanks to their strong claws and prehensile tails that provide balance and stability. They are excellent tree climbers, often found munching on leaves while perched on a branch. When it comes to reproduction, porcupines have a unique courtship ritual.